fans are in fine voice for this exhibition game. Though it's not a competitive fixture, both teams will still want to win.
A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line.